Welcome back to the Today We Craft channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these zero waste drawstring bags. You're going to need a piece of cotton canvas 22 inches by 9 inches, a tape measure, some cord, a thick wool needle, an unpicking tool, sewing scissors, a sewing machine, and optionally an iron-on transfer. Start off by folding your fabric in half and sewing up each side. Luckily I have these little markers on my sewing machine, so we're going to be wanting to have a 3/4 inch seam, which is just this line here. Repeat on the other side. I'm going to trim off the corners just because it makes it that much neater and also stops food getting stuck in them. Make sure that the seam here is flattened out. I wouldn't worry about pressing it. Measure 1/2 inches down the seam and then mark 1/4 inch either side of it. Use the unpicking tool to make a hole in the fabric. Make sure you get both layers. Thread a needle with some white cotton. And you want to go through the centre of the hole and about 2 mil out the side. Then reinsert the needle through the hole again and come up just to the side of the previous hole. Do this all the way around to reinforce the opening. To cast off, simply thread through a couple of times on the back. Then repeat for the other hole. Turn it inside out again. And on the seam opposite to the one you've just been working on, you want to cut off about 1.5 to 2 inches of material. Fold over a 1-inch hem. Remove the front part of your sewing machine, as this will make sewing the bag that much easier. We're going to use the same groove here, which is the indicator for a 3/4 inch seam. Take a length of cord approximately 20 inches long and thread it onto the wool needle. This will make threading the cord much easier. pins to secure and to stop them from fraying. Fundamentally, that is your finished bag, which is ready for use. But I'm going to be applying one of these iron-on transfers, which are available from the website at todayWeCraft.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. A good tip is to do up the drawstring bag, because you want to be avoiding this centre area here. This means when you position your transfer, it's not going to get all rucked up by the top of the bag. Place your transfer on the bag, which is on the ironing board, and place a piece of cotton over the top. Have your iron on a hot setting with no steam and press it for 1 to 2 minutes. You should be able to peel it off very gently and carefully. If the transfer is coming away with the plastic, you need to iron it for a bit longer. I like to iron it again just for another 30 seconds to a minute. This makes it nice and strong. And there you have your zero waste produce bag. If you like my crafty videos, then please do subscribe, it helps out the channel massively. And also hit that bell icon to receive notifications about new videos. Like I said, the transfer is available from todayWeCraft.com along with a whole load of other different designs. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.